Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tricky tech problems into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're diving into the issue that's been bugging a lot of Xfinity users. That pesky blinking orange light on your router's Ethernet port. If you're dealing with this in 2025, don't panic. It's often a sign of connection issues, firmware problems, or just a simple glitch. By the end of this video, you'll have your network running smoothly again. Let's jump right in. First things first, start with the basics. Check all your Ethernet cables. Make sure they're securely plugged in on both ends, your router and your device. Sometimes, a loose connection is the culprit. If everything looks good, try swapping out the cable for a new one if you have a spare. This quick step can resolve issues caused by damaged wires. Next, give your router a fresh start. Power it off by unplugging it from the wall. Wait about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. This reboot can clear temporary glitches and refresh the connection. While you're at it, check if there are any lights on the router that indicate other problems, like internet outages from your service provider. If the orange light persists, it's time to update your router's firmware. Head over to the Xfinity website or app, log into your account, and look for the device settings. Download and install any available updates. This is crucial for 2025 models, as they might have new security patches or bug fixes. Remember, always follow the instructions carefully to avoid any mishaps. Still seeing that orange blink? Consider resetting your router to factory settings. This is a more advanced step, so use it as a last resort. You'll find a reset button on the back of the device. Press and hold it for about 10 seconds. Note that this will erase any custom settings, so you'll have to reconfigure your network afterward. If none of these steps work, it might be a hardware issue or a problem with your service. Contact Xfinity support. They can run diagnostics or send a technician if needed. And hey, while you're here, make sure to like this video if it helped, subscribe for more tech fixes, and hit the bell icon for updates. Thanks for watching. With these tips, your Ethernet port should be back to a steady green in no time. Stay connected, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.